Gusto mo ba ng tahimik at preskong getaway? Nasa city lang pero parang nasa probinsya. Take a break without leaving the city. Sa dami ng hustle ng buhay, deserve mong mag-relax, mag-chill at mag-unwind. Yung tamang chill, tamang saya at tamang unwind. Saktong-sakto to escape the stress, breathe fresh air and chill with nature. Tara na! Let's reset and recharge. Iwan muna ang stress at mag-relax. Refresh your mind, relax your body, enjoy nature. Tunay na probinsya feels pero nasa city ka lang. Chill mode on, kasama ng buong pamilya, barkada, tamang kwentuhan at saya. Enjoy fresh waters in the pool, smell fresh air, and experience total relaxation. Perfect to bring your family, friends, and just be by yourself. Dito lang sa Bukid in the City. Your ultimate place for relaxing escape. Nature trip na chillaxing place pa.